The next steps are to open our data in ArcGIS Online and to create a map that we can use in our Collector app. So I'm going to sign in to ArcGIS Online with my organization account, name and password, the same that I published with from ArcMap. And I'm simply going to go directly to the map window, and I'm going to go to add data, search for layers, and I'm simply going to search for a keyword that I used when I saved my layer, hydrant. Go, and there it is. So I'll add that layer and say done adding layers. And I see that I'm not in Fayetteville, so I'm going to search for Fayetteville again, Fayetteville, Arkansas, and we're zoomed in where I want to be. And I want to go ahead and use a different base map for my map, so I'll go to base map and change to my imagery with labels. And finally, I'm going to click on legend, make sure that I've got the right symbol that I wanted, my bright red dot. That's good. And so I'm ready to save this map. Save, and I'll call this my hydrants for collector, and tag will be east and fire hydrant, and that should do it. Save the map. And then I need to share the map again with the people that I want to be able to edit with it. So I'm going to select my organization and say done. And that should do it. Now I should be able to open this up with the Collector app. So I'm going to jump over to another app in a second. Okay, now I'm on my Android tablet. It could also be an iPhone or a smartphone of some sort. Windows or Android or iOS. I've got the Collector app installed, so I'm going to fire that up. And the first thing I've got to do is I've got to sign in with my ArcGIS Online account. So I click in here to sign in, and so same account info, wrong password. I think that's it. There we go. So I've made a bunch of maps playing with this. I need to make sure I open the correct one. I want the hydrants for collector, and I don't want to download it unless I'm going to be working on a device that doesn't have a cell connection. I just open it by clicking on it, and so it's going to show me where I am. And actually this isn't a real tablet, it's an emulator, so it thinks I'm in the middle of a river somewhere here. Oh well, maybe there's a road. Yeah, here's a road over here. And it's asking, do I want to collect a new feature? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click on fire hydrant, and it's still trying to put me over there. And so I'm going to, yeah, I've got a poor location accuracy. That's okay. I'll cancel that. And I'm going to add a point right there. That's where my fire hydrant is. And I'm going to give it my ID number. This is 1279. The fire department told me. I read the manufacturer. It's Mueller. It's got 2 hose connections like a standard one. It's got 1 pump connection like a standard one. The fire department has also tested this fire hydrant. They told me what the flow rate is. It's 1278 gallons per minute. The color on top, I can click on it and choose. This is going to be a green one, and the color of the main barrel is yellow. And so that's it. I click on done, and now I've got a fire hydrant, and I'm ready to do my next one. That's how easy it is. That's all there is to it, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you need any help, feel free to get hold of us. Thanks.